Hey guys, welcome to Million Crypto. Today I will introduce you how to with the overall market and so with the specific token or some trending token, Bitcoin or bit loss, bit loser in the current market. Additionally, you can check the ISO market uh, is happening at current at recent, or you can check some exchanges currently or of current exchanges, or just some other information. And one of the favorite thing I like to use with the Coinmarketcap is the watch list. You can create a watch list by your category, and if you if you just want to look some category interesting or pay attention in some category of crypto, you just uh, open your watch list and check your tokens every day. So I will get into detail now, and you can see, and you see here, this is the main base of a coin market cap. You see it's list all of the tended token here. So DeFi, Digital Mar, Lucky, BRCO, and big winners here, backed by Rogers, External, why difficult to pronounce. And maybe I didn't hear this Rogers so far. And now recent token is added in the market here. You see here a lot of token. Yes. This this token has a lot of zero number here. Below you can see list of token in the crypto market currently, but it was a lot, and so you can view the token by market cap in order here. First one is Bitcoin, and second one is Ethereum, Tether, BNB, USDC coin, Cardano. Many token below. The interesting thing I can view here, I can order by market cap. You can see I order by market cap here, and so can see which token is which token has high highest market cap, or which token is the lowest market cap on the market crypto currently. And you can see here I order uh, by um, by descending, I order by percentage change 24 hours or 7 days, but 7 days you can order by this, and can see overview of the market currently. In the menu section, you can see here there are many functionalities you can work with that, or you can enter and see some content in each menu of bytes. For example, about cryptocurrency, you can view by ranking, or recently added, or estimated, or local charts, spotlight exchange. You can view the list of spot exchange, derivatives, and DEX, and where to buy some token, NFT, overall of NFT statistics, top collection, or upsells portfolio. Maybe be about your portfolio if you add some your favorite token in in the works list. Oh no, maybe I will enter. This is the portfolio. Portfolio works list. You can add your favorite token in certain works list which you react. And for example, I create works list of metaverse here. Site. So you see here, or you can create another works list. For example, about blockchain or layer one blockchain. Layer one blockchain here, and add coin. I want to add near vertical. Second one, harmony one. Hot. It will be avalanche, avax, and arrogant here. Just you select and it will add all tokens of layer one for you immediately, and you get one of the root one of the good thing I can see on the Coinmarketcap is the average ICO calendar. When I look into this option, I can view all of ICO token is happening currently, and therefore I can join into some good token. It can have huge increase increasing in the future. And you can see here there are ongoing watches. Spray Falcon or Oppo Protocol or Melody, or you can view all night coin open on Solana and Airham or Cardano. Upcoming token Baby Moose Baby Moose coin, Yaran War, Metagun. You can see here, and about the exchanges, you can see here Binance, Huobi Global, KuCoin, J.io. Now I will view specific coin in when I input on specific token and put the opacity of the network token here, and it will list all detail for Octobot network. There are a lot of information here. You can see rank of this token and some information of the website, explorer, or contact on some blockchain or source code, white paper, market cap, volume, and set reported circulating supply, max supply, total supply. Many useful information we can refer here. There are a lot. It it decreased a lot, 30% only one day. Currently currently markets is in red because BTC today down up to. We will check into the main page. The main page. Check BTC down 24 hours over 7.5% for a lot today. under $40,000, and it pull most of other tokens on the market down together. You can view the market selling the token Gay.io, Maxi Labo, Bybox, Who, Refinance is the decentralized exchange on near blockchain. Check how many holder currently. You see here, and wallet here. Use MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Check overview. You can see price movement day by day and week by week. Can you view here? You can see the price in 7 days, 1 year, or of time. Many other statistics information about price under price change in 24 hours, trading volume, and volume over market cap only 5.8%. Market dominant and market rank here. Market cap, a lot of information here. You can check detail by yourself, guys. And I think that's all for introduce Octopus Network token so far. Just get Octopus Network for an example to views on info on token detail in the Coinmarketcap. And so if you want to see another token such as one harmony, you can hit and set into the Coinmarketcap. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you like this video and leave me a like, or you have any question about Coinmarketcap, you can comment below. I can introduce and answer for you if I can. Or you, if you like my my video on my channel, you can subscribe my channel. I will make new video, then it can send you notification as soon as possible. And from you guys, bye bye.